How to summarize a YouTube video with ChatGPT. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go out it quick and easy and how you can easily summarize a YouTube video. Well, first things first, what you can do is you can head into the particular YouTube video right now. So once you have the video, if you tap on the little icon here down below, you should get the option to view the transcript, right? You can tap on show transcript and you can copy this transcript, this whole transcript. Once you have the video transcript, next step is to head into ChatGPT. So you can head into ChatGPT and start a new chat. There you want to paste in the transcript, or before pasting you can type in that, you can type it this way: summarize this YT video on the transcript I provide you. Now, if you're trying to create a description and such, you can ask it to create a timestamp as well and to add hashtags in the end. But basically, you can put it according to your want and need that you wish to get the summary for, as in, and then you can send it and it'll ask you for the transcript. You want to paste in the transcript and you can send it and you'll be able to get the summary of the YouTube video for this video. Help to like and subscribe.